Welcome to the Git series. In this video, we are going to learn what is a git clean command and how it works. And the git clean command helps us to remove any untracked files or directories or folders in your working copy. Let's understand what it actually removes. See, this is the hierarchy. This is the git workflow. Consider like this is your local repository. I'm not talking about any remote repository here because the git clean will help us to deal with any untracked files which are present in the working copy. Let's say we have some untracked files like file1.txt. So assume this is the file that I created in the working copy which is not been pushed to the which is not being added to the stage. And let me show you one more. Let's create a directory 1. Assume we have one more directory. Under the directory we have another file. Okay, assume like this. In your working copy you made these two changes in the working copy. So you have created one new file and you created one new directory. Inside the directory you have a new file which you created, and they are not added to the stage yet. Once you add these files to the stage using git add command, they will be tracked. Those files will be moved from untracked files list to the tracked files and tracked directories. If you want to delete these files, if you want to clean the working copy, whatever you make any changes which are untracked files or directories, the git clean command will help us to remove the files are in the working copy. Let us see the example. Let me clear this. Okay, let me commit all the changes which I have. Okay, that should be fine. Let it be the modified file. We have one modified file that is also clear. Like I can explain you in a better way if I have some modified files with me. And now I'm going to create a file and a directory and one more file inside the directory. Let's see. Let's create a file. We are on the master branch. And let me create a file. Touch untracked file 1. Okay, I have one untracked file. Let me type something inside that. Vim. Let me go to insert mode, type something, or otherwise just give some meaningful name, something untracked. Okay, escape, right quit. And now you have edited the file. Let's check the git status. See, we have one untracked file here, and the same way I'm going to create a one more directory, that is kdir directory untracked. Okay, this is my directory. Now I'm going to inside the directory and create some file. Okay, now I'm inside the directory which we created. You can see here, and let me create a one more file here. Untracked file2.txt, and let me edit something over there. Go to insert mode, type something escape colon right quit. Okay, now let's check the git status and see there is a directory. Okay, we are inside the directory which we created. Okay, let me come out from the directory and I can show you. Okay, now I am on the git rebase folder where my git is initialized. Now if you see, we have a directory and the file which we created. Inside this particular directory we have one more file which we have created. Now let's check the git status -s. So you can find the status of the file. This file which we have already, we have this file, the file1.txt, which is modified. Okay, and these two are the untracked file and a folder. Now if you want to delete these two files, the untracked file one and the directory underscore untracked folder, what you need to do, you are going to use a git clean command. If you run this git clean, it will not let you clean because it's going to refuse. Why? Because see, there is a message it is giving a clean require force defaults to true, and neither you need to use a -i, -n nor -f given. What is meant by like, let's understand what it is trying to do. It's git clean -n. I'm going to use a -n, and it is going to tell you what are the files which is going to delete. Files are folders. See, if you use git clean -n, there is only one it would remove, but it didn't remove yet. It is telling you that these files would remove if you run the command. Would remove untracked file 1. It is actually telling you that it is going to delete a file, not a directory. If you want to delete the directory also, what you need to do, git clean -n, add -d, so that it will consider the directories also. This time you are seeing it would remove the directory and it would remove the file which are untracked. So both the directory and the file is added for the cleaning. And so far we have seen these files will remove if you run that. Now let's remove these files and see. Let me show you the file first, and then I'll delete the directory also. Git clean -f. If I run this, it's gonna delete only file but not the directories. Let us run this. Okay, removing untracked file, because it is removed only a file, not the directory. If you want to delete the directory also, as we have seen, -d we need to include, that is a git clean. Okay, before we run that, let us check the status. Git status -s. See, the file is removed, but still you can see the directory which is untracked. To remove the directory also, git clean -f -d. This is going to delete the directory. See, removing the directory, and this is removed. Now let's check the git status. And see, only the file which we have here, it's a modified file which already there and which is tracked. That's why that is not removed. The tracked files are not removed. Only untracked files and directories are removed using these commands. These are the commands we need to remember if you are doing a clean. But make sure when you are doing a clean, git clean, you have make sure you add all your files to a stage, or you commit before you clean, because once you clean this, you can't you will not be able to get them, since those files are not tracked. They are untracked files. They will be completely gone from your working directory. And be very careful when you are cleaning up your untracked files, since you might have done some useful changes in the files. Okay, and there is a one more command. If you want to delete the something which you have added to an ignore, you can run git clean -xdf. Even that removes the ignored files also. If you add something to the ignored, and everything will be removed. And because as of now I don't have anything on the removed, and I'm not going to run, but remember this command also, git clean -xdf will help you to remove everything. Hope you understand the concept, and please feel free to comment if you have anything in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.